का जज्बा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि किस्मत बदले न बदले पर समय जरूर बदलता है, क्योंकि किस्मत बदले न बदले पर समय जरूर बदलता है. Do you know Sachin Tendulkar? Yes, every student should have their role model of look up to and get motivation and inspiration. Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most famous cricketers in the world. Success usually comes to those. Success usually comes to those who are too busy for it. Who are too busy for it. Why is he called the god of cricket? Sachin Tendulkar is known as the god of cricket because of his incredible achievement in the game, appreciated for the skill and dedicated on by cricket lovers worldwide. Success is not destination. Success is not destination. It is a long journey. It is a long journey. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. मेहनत करते रहो, एक दिन सफलता जरूर मिलेगी. मेहनत करते रहो, एक दिन सफलता जरूर मिलेगी. Where is the Sachin Tendulkar work? He is a famous cricketer and former member of Rajya Sabha. Life is like a game. Life is like a game. Every new level difficult. Every new level difficult. Can you tell where Sachin Tendulkar was born and about his education? Sachin Tendulkar born on 24 April 1973 in Mumbai and education Shankasram Vidya Mandir International School and the full name of Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Success is not shortcut. Success is not shortcut. It is a long journey. It is a long journey. Do you know about their coach Sachin Tendulkar, guided by his coach Ramakant Achrekar? When he joined at the age of 1984, he started playing cricket at a very young age. कई बार भी आजमा लेना, हर वक्त तैयार है. कई बार भी आजमा लेना, हर वक्त तैयार है. ये हथियारों में मत दिखाना हथियार से खतरनाक है. Sachin Tendulkar, known as the Master Blaster and the God of Cricket, he holds record of the highest run in the both Test and the ODI cricketing. He is only playing score 100 international century. हार मत मानो, हालत से जिंदगी की यह कहानी है. हार मत मानो, हालत से जिंदगी की यह कहानी है. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. He is the one of the most decorated player in the history of cricket. After his retirement from the game in 2013, he was awarded from Bharat Ratna, Indian Ice Civilian, the youngest person he received this award. Every success should not have full stop. Every success should not have full stop. But it had a comma. But it had a comma. He is the only player to score over 30,000 runs. He scored a total of 34,357 runs in 664 international cricket matches in international cricket.
Education is a movement. Education is a movement. Darkness to light. Darkness to light. He has played many flawless innings and led of the India to the notable victories over Archery River and a number of the first Test Australia in 2008.
Sachin Tendulkar is well after when calls a little master or even god of cricket. He has a wonderful technique and can score run with great quickly and style. Sometimes Tendulkar has been criticized for making running against easily opposition and not to the big coordination, but that criticism is not entirely fair. Tendulkar has recently made some key 100 in the most testing situation.
His determination, discipline and passion made him a role model for millions. In 2014, Sachin Tendulkar received Bharat Ratna, Indian highest civilian award for his contribution to cricket. Despite his fame, she is known for being humble and kind. Sachin Tendulkar retired from cricket in 2013, but his legacy content inspires young cricket in the world.
He is a true legend to show that hard work and dedication dreams can come true. He is also told to be a good person at heart and has made many action focused on doing good to society. Many people in my family are the great fans of Sachin Tendulkar just like me. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता. हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Sachin Tendulkar played his last match against West Indies in November 2030. Impression and solution. Sachin since life teaches that hard work, discipline and perseverance key to greatness. He proved that true success is not just about personal achievements but also about characters and ability. विकल्प बहुत मिलेंगे मार्ग भटकाने के लिए, विकल्प बहुत मिलेंगे मार्ग भटकाने के लिए, लेकिन संकल्प एक ही काफी है मंजिल तक जाने के लिए. He is love and care all over the world. He revived from his technical mastery, sports and management means contribute to make a cricket a popular sport globally. कोई रोके तो कभी रुकना नहीं, जिंदगी इसके झुकना नहीं. कोई रोके तो कभी रुकना नहीं, जिंदगी इसके झुकना नहीं. नींद पूरी हो ना हो, मेहनत करने से मोड़ना नहीं. सचिन तेंदुलकर played for 24 years, returning in 2030. He was a part of 2011 World Cup team. He is also known to be a good person and has made many action on doing focus on doing good to for societies. Now we friends are going to present one song in front of you. पत्ता पत्ता हर बूटा, दरिया दरिया हर कोना. पत्ता पत्ता हर बूटा, दरिया दरिया हर कोना. धड़कन धड़कन हर दम ये बोले, बच्चा बच्चा युवा बुढ़ा, उत्तर दक्षिण हर बंदा. सूरज का चल उठिए जगिए, रणभूमि में गिरिए लड़िए, अब संघर्ष करिए. ओ उठिए जगिए, वीरों का संघर्ष करिए, भारत का उत्कर्ष करिए. ओ हम जीतेंगे सबका यकीन, हम जीतेंगे चाहे जो भी हो. हम जीतेंगे सबका यकीन, हम जीतेंगे चाहे जो भी हो. ओ ओ, ओ.
Give me my right and leave me my lane and just remember my name.